Hello, beautiful people. How are you all? I think you are well. And my name is Abu Rahan. I am a law student, and I think I am international student. So, as an international student, I think English is very important for me. Actually, not only me, it also important of all us. So, see, my friends, what is the motive of this video? You see that I am a student. We all are students. We try to improve our English, like in 12 or 30 years in my whole student life, but we cannot speak English properly. So in that situation, I made a decision that I improve my English with you, like every week I speak with you in English through this type of video. See, my friends, my grammar is not well. I cannot speak properly. I cannot good at English. So I think that if I talk to you regularly, one day, inshallah, we can improve our English. My friend, see, to improve my English, before I admitted different types of courses, different types of coaching centers. Uh, the ultimate, it is a matter of sorrow that the ultimate result is zero. My money is gone, my time is gone, but I cannot speak my English properly. The basic problem of my English that I can speak primary level English. It's not problem for me, but when I speak in advanced level in English, then I faces different types of uh, difficulties. So in this journey, I made different. I made a. I will make a series where we speak English. You give me some recommendations, some path. According to this path, I can improve my English. So in that situations, I think that the only on way to learn English or to learn advanced English or improve my English is to speak with you. The name of my journey is actually me versus you. One side is me and another side is you. You write down in my comment sections. I think you will see the video YouTube or Facebook. So if you give different types of advice, I welcome you. I will welcome you, and I will grateful to you. So this is the first video of my English improving English improve journey class. I think one day we will do better English with you. So uh, so so we see in the next video. After that, stay good, keep flying.